For many years, creating a movie scene like this would have cost a lot of money to produce. You would need a full production crew, expensive camera equipment, actors, and detailed planning just to bring a single scene to life. Even after all of that, there's still the challenge of editing, reshoots, and post-production adjustments, which makes the entire process even more time-consuming and costly. Because of this, a lot of creative ideas never actually get made, not because they aren't good, but because the process of turning them into reality feels too complex or too expensive for most people. But that limitation is starting to change. With the rise of AI tools, it's now possible to create cinematic movie scenes directly from a simple idea without needing a full production setup. Instead of worrying about cameras, crews, or locations, you can now focus purely on storytelling while the AI handles the visual execution. In this video, I'll show you how to use Seedance 2.0 inside Higgsfield to create your own AI-powered movie scenes step by step. Now, what really makes Seedance 2.0 stand out is how advanced the model actually is. It's designed to generate cinematic quality video in 1080p, with audio created at the same time as the visuals, so everything stays perfectly in sync. You're not adding sound later, it's already built into the scene. And unlike other AI models, the motion here feels much more natural. Things like movement, lighting, and interactions between objects follow real-world physics, which makes scenes look more believable, especially in complex shots like action sequences or close-ups. Another thing that stood out to me is the level of control you have over your scenes. You're not limited to just typing a prompt. You can actually combine different inputs, like images, short video clips, or even audio, to guide the AI and shape the final output. So instead of starting from scratch every time, you can reference specific styles, camera angles, or even motion patterns to get more precise results. And when it comes to storytelling, Seedance makes things even easier. It can generate multi-shot sequences automatically, meaning your scene can include different camera angles, cuts, and pacing, all structured in a way that feels like an actual film.
Lord, I need your strength. Amen.
On top of that, it maintains character consistency across shots, which is something that used to be a major challenge with AI video tools. So instead of stitching clips together and fixing everything in editing, you're getting something that already feels close to a finished scene. And because of this, Seedance 2.0 can be used for a wide range of projects, from short films and storytelling content to music videos, ads, and even social media content. I have a link in the description so you can follow along in the video. Now, to get started, we first need to create an account on Higgsfield and make sure you subscribe to their plan to access Seedance 2.0. Before we get into generating videos using Seedance 2.0, like how professionals do, let me share a mistake you may do at first, which is letting the AI blindly handle everything without having any control over the outcome of the video. Let me illustrate. After selecting Seedance 2.0, beginners often paste a prompt that only describes the scene. Once they are done pasting the prompt, they set the duration of the video and they simply click generate. This is the result from that. Looking at the result, you'll notice there's very little control over the camera position, the duration of each frame, or how the scenes are structured. Because of this, it's difficult to guide important details, like the main character looking away from the action, which can lead to inconsistent results. You'll also notice that the AI interpreted the script in multiple ways, generating different types of shots, such as medium shots, handheld angles, and tracking shots. While this can add variety, it also means the outcome may not align with your original vision. But if you want your scenes to look more polished, it's important to structure your prompts properly, like how professionals do. Using the same prompt, I first break the script down into individual scenes and assign a time frame to each one. This gives me better control over what happens in every moment of the video. Next, I define the camera position for each scene so the AI can follow a clear visual direction. This helps the final result feel more intentional and cinematic. After that, I prepare my reference images. This is especially useful if you want consistent characters in your scenes. For this example, I'm using two characters, a robot suit and a monster, but you can also include your main character as well. Now going back to the Seedance 2.0 generation section and pasted my prompt, and whenever I mention the main character in the prompt, I'll insert the @ symbol so I can select my character. This helps the AI maintain a consistent character across all scenes. For the monster part, I added a reference image as well. After that, I selected the aspect ratio to be 16:9 and set the duration to 15 seconds. And this was the result. You can see how we totally had control of our scene just by inputting the right prompt. We turn a simple prompt into a cinematic blockbuster movie. This alone makes us feel like the movie director we were born to be. Finally, as you can see, it's incredibly easy to create a cinematic video that looks realistic, almost like a real film, just by using a well-structured prompt. I hope this video helped guide you on how to create cinematic videos from the comfort of your home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.